Guys, welcome back to Unicorn Slimes. Today we're actually gonna make good slimes because we're professionals. So, we're going to be using some lotion, baking soda. You're gonna need some contact solution. You can also use borax or any other things that make slime. You can probably Google it. Some Barbasol, Model Magic because we are making butter slime. We got some glow-in-the-dark paint and some glue all bottles. You're also going to need something to mix with, a bowl for your solution, and something to put the slime in. So, we're going to start off by taking some glue, and we're going to dump the glue in the middle of our plate. So, you don't really need a lot of glue for butter slime because it gets thicker when you add the Model Magic, or thicker and bigger. So we're just going to keep adding this glue all until we have enough. Like I said, it doesn't. So you don't have to.
And you know there's enough when.
So you're just going to keep adding things of glue. That should be enough for butter slime, but it's kind of hard to know. So we're going to add some paint in here. And we're going to add some Barbasol or shaving cream. You can really use anything. I like to shake mine up a little bit before I put them on. And that should be more than enough. That actually seems like a lot. And you're going to want to keep adding paint in here. Okay. So, we're going to now add some of this Winter Candy Apple lotion. You can use any kind of lotion you want. If you want to add your own scents, I should say choose your own, or your own unscented lotion. But if you do want to just do a lotion scent, you can use Bath Body Works lotion or any scented lotion, really. So now we're going to set this aside. So we're going to set this aside, but first we're going to mix some of this in. So we're going to mix some of this in. Now the color doesn't really show up, but it's really good pastel color. So you can do any color you want. You can even choose to do food coloring or something like that.
And you can dye your Model Magic, which I'm going to go do.
So we chose white Model Magic because we can dye it, but you can also dye your Model Magic. You can also buy pre-dyed Model Magic or colored one. So now this is all mixed up. We're going to set that aside and make our contact solution mixture, which consists of a little bit of baking soda. That's probably good. I'm actually going to add just a tad bit more.
A tad bit?
That's a little too much, guys.
Okay. Yeah, don't add that much.
So then you're going to add some contact solution. It doesn't really matter which kind, but you're just going to squirt it in there. So then we're going to start mixing this up just like that until it's just a little bit mixed, like that. And then you're just going to take your slime again and you're going to slowly add in this contact solution till you have slime.
And you'll know that
you'll know that it'll come off. You'll know when it's ready to add the Model Magic when it starts coming off of the plate. So you're just going to mix this all up. It should start getting a little chunky. And I actually might not have enough solution here. So if you run out of solution, you can always just make more. So we're going to take the straw out and set it up. And we're just going to keep mixing and mixing. I think it's almost done, but it actually is probably going to need just a tad bit more of the solution. So we're going to pour some of it in there. Oops, kind of a lot. That's okay. So as you guys can tell, it's starting to come off of the plate and look a bit chunky like slime. So I'm about to take it out, and we're just going to work with it.
And just so you guys know, before you add more activator, first you need to make sure that you've mixed it all in. Because sometimes it's just because it got stuck in one spot. So it just doesn't look activated even though it is.
Yeah, because it's really easy to overactivate these types of slimes.
And you want this slime to be more sticky than others, but not too sticky because you're going to add Model Magic.
Yeah, it's even the least thing you want to do when you're making butter slime is overactivate your slime, because then the butter slime gets really hard and it's not really butter slime. So I'm just mixing it together like this. Now it'll eventually come together, and if it's still sticky, you can always add more contact solution. So I'm going to add a little bit more, not too much though, because it's pretty much good. So I'm just going to dip my fingers in the solution like that and mix it in, because remember, the least thing I want to do is overactivate my slime. So I've mixed it all in like that. So it's good now. It's not sticking to me as much as it used to. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the Model Magic. But first, I'm going to make sure that all of the slime is off of the plate before I add in the Model Magic, because I want to use as much of that glue and all the ingredients that I added in at first. So now I'm going to move this plate out, and I'm going to grab some Model Magic.
So we're gonna make blue Model Magic. So we're gonna grab some of the blue Model Magic, or you could use food dye or Crayola marker. And you might want to play with this before you put it in, so it softens up a little bit.
Yeah, because you don't want it to be hard.
So I'm first gonna soften this up. That's pretty soft, and I'm gonna soften this up. Okay, so once it gets to that, it should be soft enough, even less soft. So first off, you're gonna add a teeny bit of blue. We're going to go for a darker blue, so you might need more, but we don't really know. So we're going to mix it together. This is a really good way to color your Model Magic. By the way, this is from Michaels. So thank you, Michaels, and everything else is from Target.
We want you guys to sponsor us.
Okay, so I can tell we're going to need more, so I'm already going to just add more.
And Michaels and Target, please sponsor us.
Okay, so I think we're going to have a pretty good blue here, right?
Yes.
I think this looks like a nice blue. What do you think?
Yeah.
So now that we have it all mixed, it's actually, we got to mix it a little bit more. So we're just going to, it doesn't even have to be fully mixed to add it into the model, or into the slime, because you're just going to be mixing it into slime anyways. So,
yeah, so you don't want to add all of it at once though.
So I like to split it up into smaller pieces like this, and then mix it in. And you know when it's done mixing in, when you feel no more Model Magic clumps into your slime. So you can tell it's mixing in pretty good, and I'm probably not going to need so much more.
And just so you know, guys, this is butter slime.
Yes, we are making butter slime.
See?
And in our next video, we'll be making
some clear slime.
We're making clear slime, and it is going to be some unicorn poop slime.
And the thing is, we're going to show you some hacks on how to make that clear slime. So make sure to watch our next videos.
So it's not quite butter slime yet. It's still kind of slimy.
And you need to add lotion in this kind of slime too, because to make it the stretchy kind of slime.
Yeah, so we added lotion in the beginning, but at the end we're probably going to have to add some more lotion. So I'm just going to grab some more Model Magic.
You can also use Daiso clay for this. We're just using Model Magic because that's what was available for us.
So we're going to keep mixing it in. And again, you know when it's mixed in because it'll you won't feel any more Model Magic clumps in your slime. And
you can see how it's separating. That usually happens, like, if it separates, like, and breaks, like that, and you look into it, there's almost, like, bubbles in it. That's because it's, like, fluffy slime, so that means there's shaving cream in it. Just so you guys know. If your friends are quizzing you and saying, what kind of slime this is, break it open and look inside to see if it's fluffy.
okay, so we're gonna add in some lotion right now. And after we add in the lotion, if it's still,
sponsor thing. This is from Bath and Body Works.
the winter candy apple smell. So we're going to keep mixing this in.
It might feel weird when you're adding in the lotion, but if you just keep mixing, then it will feel unweird because might feel like clumpy and everything. But once you keep mixing it in, it will feel better.
So we have this, and it feels pretty much like butter slime, so I don't think we're going to need to add in any more Model Magic. You'll know when it's butter slime because you can feel that it's harder than regular slime, and
it's almost soft.
It feels like kind of soft. Now, one thing you can do with butter slime is add some baby oil in, but you don't have to do that if you
And you can
don't
also
want to.
know once it spreads almost like butter. So we still need to add some more stretchiness, so lotion in this case.
Yeah.
And you can use a knife, and it will show the textures as if it was melting butter.
Yeah.
That's why it's called butter slime.
So we're just going to keep adding this in. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned because we are going to be making a unicorn fart slime. It'll be a clear slime in our next video. So please stay tuned. Please stay tuned and leave a like on this video if
And
you like
subscribe.
our content, and please subscribe. Thank you for
Bye.
watching. Bye.